Hi, I'm Gillian Keegan, the Secretary of State for Education, and just like many of the people that you've heard from today, I started my career as an apprentice. I'm delighted to be a part of this year's big assembly to talk about why apprenticeships are a fantastic way for people of all ages to earn whilst they learn. My apprenticeship kick-started my 30-year career in international business, but it taught me so much more than just the technical skills. Working alongside people with real experience and strong personalities gave me the opportunity to develop the relationship building and leadership skills that I still use to this day. This country has a unique and world-leading apprenticeship system. Almost 70% of jobs are now available as apprenticeships. So whether your passion is in aerospace or advertising, fashion or finance, there's an apprenticeship for you. As an apprentice, you'll earn a salary whilst getting the skills and experience you need for the workplace. You'll also get the chance to complete a qualification relevant to your role. You can even do a degree apprenticeship where your employer will pay your tuition fees to complete either a degree or master's degree qualification. You'll have heard from many people today about the amazing opportunities that are available to help you start the career of your dreams. Just remember, everyone has their own journey, and what is right for one person may not work for another. My apprenticeship took me from a car factory in Kirby, just outside of Liverpool, all the way to the Houses of Parliament. Where will yours take you?